In this video, I'm going to teach you how to brighten up your photo. Now, I have a picture here of a dog sitting in grass. I like to make a copy of the actual layer just in case if something goes wrong. I can just delete the layer and I can start over. Now, there's two ways to do this. I typically like to make an adjustment layer, so you would go down to the bottom right corner of your file here and create a new adjustment layer, and you would choose brightness and contrast. And pretty easy, you would just adjust the brightness. You can make it darker if you really want it to be dark and stuff like that. You can go back and forth. I like to do it this way. There's another way to do it that you can just select your photo and go all the way up to image, go to adjustments, and you can adjust the brightness that way too. But this way is not my most favorite way to do it because you actually adjust the photo rather than an adjustment layer, so you can actually ruin the photo, and if you don't like it, you would have to restart. Hope you guys like this tip, and make sure you subscribe for some more Photoshop tips.